Today we talk about how can you use Telegram on your app. So we go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app to use your Instagram. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So here in this list in verse you will find all messages you have. So there is all your messages. And here you will find your contact on Telegram. Here it's going to show for you like this. You will find your friends on contacts. So when you click here in this sign, when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. Here can you change theme. So if you want to change it to light mode, then or to dark mode like you say, when you click here in this sign, it's going to show for you like this. If you want to add here another account, then here you just click on my profile. So then here you will find all posts you have. When you add posts you will find it. If you don't, here can you create a post, just click on it. So then here can you check a picture or select your here can you select a picture you want to add on your post. Here in here archived posts you will find it here. If you have any stories you add or posts you add here, so when you click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Here add your name and last name here, and here you when you here your channel, can you click here on add, and here you start a channel, can you create. When you click on start a channel here, then here you create a channel here, and here a channel name. When you down click in this sign, then here you have new channel. So then here can you add your view, and here add your birthday here. So in this list, then here can you add when you just click on it, here can you add a photo or use choose a photo or video you want to add it here. So when you click here on this sign, so then here can you click on your group, then here can you make a group in this list, or just click in this sign here when you select here. So when you click here on any contacts like this here, so when you select it, click in this sign, then here it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Enter here group name, then here if you want to turn off or enable or disable here auto delete message, and here add uh, group photo here. So when you down, just click in this sign. So and here, and when you click to in this sign here, it's going to show for you like this. Here can you find your contacts in this list. Here you will find all contacts. Then here, if you want to create new group uh, like I do before, and here new contacts. If you want to add here new contact, just click on it. Add here first name of contacts, and here last name. Then here name, phone number of your contact, and here click here on create contact. Then it's going to create with you. So then here, if you want to create new channel like we do before, here can you create it just from here. So in here too, can you add your friends or your contacts. You have two choice, and when you click in this sign to here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on calls, then here you will find all calls you have in this list. So if you I have no calls now, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list. Here can you make call, just click on it, and here you select any of your contact, just click on it here. Then it's going to call it like this here. So I'm going to end this call. So that's all here. Then we for call, and when you click on it again here, you will find here saved messages. Here if you want to save any messages here, can you add it here. So I'm going to add this. So for example, it's just for example here, and you click in this sign, then it's going to show for you only. It's going to show for you. So here in this list, it's for you, this message. So, and when you click here in this sign too, can you click here on settings? Then here can you set a photo here, and here can you scan QR code, your QR code, you will find it here. If you want to share it with your friends here to invite you to to their account. So, and here can you so here if you want to keep your number up to date to ensure here, you can always log in to in Telegram if you want to add yes or not. Here can you manage your chat settings, just click on it, you manage here text says, and here your theme, color theme, and here change chat wallpaper here and change name color. So then here can you manage chat list view, and here can you select here app icon. So and here this all can you manage here your theme or chat theme here or chat settings, can you manage it in this list if you want to add in app browser or not. So it's all here can you manage it, it's the same. So and another here can you manage privacy and security here if you want to add here to step verification or auto delete message or add here your passcode. Then here if you log in email, and here blocked users you will find them here, and contact devices you have, and here you will find phone number. So here can you find your contact here, so who can see your phone number. You manage here your so you manage your phone number here or manage contact. So here who can see your photo, profile photo or last seen online or calls here. In this can you manage it, it's for your security here and privacy. So we will go back, and here you will find notifications and sounds. Can you manage here your notifications, and here vibration in the ringtone you want to add or for your calls. And here in app notifications can you manage it here if you want to enable it here like this or disable it like this here. So and we will go back. Then here can you change your language here if you want to add any language. Then here so can you get premium, and here stars, can you get here stars or pay it here like you say. So then here gift premium or Telegram business, can you use it here if you want to subscribe for Telegram business. So that's all you have to do like you say. That's all. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.